Okay, here is the Yashica Electro 35GL, which I would say is a smaller version of the Yashica GSN. Yeah. Here is the GT, so yeah, difference is like size lah. And the sensor part for the GT, GTN, GSN, GS is at here, the sensor. Or for GL is at lens. So when you want to equip lens, it will straight have the more accurate metering lah. Yep. And it have hot shoe, while GT don't have. Only GSN have the hot shoe. Yeah. Next, we open the battery cover at the bottom here. It's electronic shutter, so it need battery to operate. Yeah. If not, the shutter speed will fix it at 1/500. Yeah. Okay, so we put it inside. Lock it well. Oops. I see. Oops. Next, by clicking. Okay, here's the battery check button. So when you click here, light up, which means that it has the battery ready. So next thing is load the film by pulling here out to open the back cover. And here's the sample roll. So we just put it the film at here and push it down. Make sure it's fully down. Don't be like this. If you cannot push, turn a bit, then yeah, it will lock. Then the film tip is into hole at here. Okay, like that. Okay, close it. Next, adjust the ISO by looking at here and adjust at here. So just now the film is 400, so I just turn it to 400. Like that will do. Yep. Okay. And here's the aperture setting, and inside is the focus setting. So when I half press, yeah, you see it shows slow, which means that I need to increase the aperture. Yeah, when I half press, it doesn't light up at all, which means that it's okay to shoot. Wow, it's too bright. Example, I half press it. Yeah, you see it will have light up the overlight, which means that it's overexposure, so I need to reduce in order to shoot. Yeah. Then about the focusing, is call it rangefinder focus. So we look into the viewfinder. We will follow at the center point there, got the yellow box. So you will see when I aim to this thing, it will have split image. So you just adjust the focus until the split image align together, which means that you have focus already. So you just shoot it. And every time you pull the winder, you will see that you have the sound. So which means that the metering is now running. If you didn't shoot or you put it for a long time, the battery will out of battery easily because the metering is keep operating. When you shoot, then only it won't operate the metering. Yeah. But I will also recommend if you didn't use it, take out the battery. Yeah. Okay, then here is the timer. So you just pull. You need to push this button down first, then you pull it to here to the max. Then press it, wait for it. Okay. Yeah, like that. It's using lift shutter, so the shutter sound will be slightly like quiet. So overall it's like this, and if you don't want to use it and you're scared that it will accidentally push it, so you just switch to the L, which means that it's loud. Yeah. And overall it's like this, and when you finish the film, here is the film counter. So it will show how many shots you have took. Then you just like shoot until it cannot be white anymore. Then you just press the silver button at the bottom here. Okay, sorry, it's black. Then flip here up, and here we have an arrow showing you the way to rewind. So you just rewind it until it suddenly become very loose, then take out the film to develop.